Welcome to my YouTube channel. Grow with Google Cloud.
So today I am going to talk about VO3 and how we'll create a video with the using VO3. So VO3 model recently launched by Google, and then today I just received VO3 is now available in the Gemini API. So I thought, why not I'll create a video. So I'll quick walk through one demo how to create a video using the VO3 model, right? So before going to do that, so we need a API key. So how to get that API? So once you log in into AI Studio google.com, so you get API key just to create your API key. Then that API key you just here will export it. But before that, you have to set your virtual environment in your ID, like this would be something like let me tell you. Need to set an environment variable, export, then the piece of code. This is the piece of code to generate a video, and define your key equal to double quote. And if you have already created the API key that you put here, then create an environment variable. Once your environment variable set, so this is the piece of code. First you need to define your API key and then call it, and then you write a prompt what video you are going to create, and then to call the client model, generate the video, and model you need to define, right? Here, as I mentioned, the model you need to define here, then prompt the variable you just declared that you will call here, and the piece of code like to generate a video. This code I'll provide you in my description box, and the URL also, however you get that code, I'll just give you the reference. But the once your API key is set as a variable, then you need to execute the command python 3, then your python file you just execute, and then you start creating your video. So it will take some time, but definitely it will create a video. So successfully it will create the video. So this is one piece of code which will help, and it will follow the process like how to create API key and set your API key, and then it will interact with your VO3 model. Then definitely you can successfully create your video, right? But definitely during your command execution, it will take some time to create a video. So we'll wait for that. So this is all about in this video. I hope this video will be helpful to create your video. And if you want to integrate with your own application, so definitely this piece of code you can integrate with your app and it will work. So now as you can see in the left hand side, dialog example MP4 video created. So now successfully video is being created. So thank you.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you in the next video.